Has life pranked you and you've been rear-ended? Well, maybe this sweet laser light will help you out. Check it out. Just adjust it. Yeah, have that. Now, when I hooked it up, I hooked the black wire to a black wire and the red wire to a blue wire. Ooh, I like that. Huh? So yeah, I'm thinking I'm gonna go with that right there. Yeah, that's gonna look even sweeter at night. How to install a laser light tail light for that added safety protection. You know what I'm saying? All right, let's get this installed. I think I'm gonna pull this off, yeah? Looks like I'm gonna tie into here. I'm gonna tie into right there. Get this wired in. I think I'm gonna mount it to my plate mount. That's what I'm thinking. Oh, yeah. All right, getting her done. Got it tied in. I'm gonna mount it to the license plate cover. Yeah? Shit, yes. Can't get the right angle, so I'm moving the mountings down here. Gotta get this thing angled right, you know what I'm saying? Shoot, this is taking way too long. Alright, I got that sumbitch mounted. Hey. Alright, let's turn this bitch on, see what it looks like. It'll look better at night, yeah? Alright, guess we'll be checking it out at night. My jam!